ang One Life. At mapapakita po sa atin ng aming kasamang si Joe Tamesis ang Rowing in Manila Boat Club.
Good morning, boss, and welcome to Manila Boat Club. Mga boss, after almost 2 years of doing this show, pwede ko na kayo ulit batiin ng good morning dahil 6:45 pa lang. O, di ba? Ang aga ko nagising. Anyway, Manila Boat Club, ano bang ginagawa natin dito? Siyempre, hindi tayo magkakarate dahil boating ang meron dito. So mga boss, ihanda na mga salbabida at sumama na, let's go! At syempre, bago tayo maglayag, makakasama natin dito ang kapitan ng barko, Mr. Kentin Pastrana. Good morning, Sir Kentin.
Good morning, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Okay, so sir, rowing, can you explain to us ano ba yung objective nitong sport na ito?
So itong sport na to is an Olympic sport at naging popular to dito sa Pilipinas noong 1960s and 70s and ngayon, rini-revive namin po ulit. Rowing is slightly different because we use the whole body. So, imbis na sa dragon boat na yung gagamitin lang namin yung braso natin, is we are using our wrists, arms, back, legs, and ankles. Yung rowing is a full body exercise. We can actually have different boats. Pwedeng sumakay yung isang tao, dalawang tao, 4 hanggang 8. May mga competitions sa buong mundo. In fact, the Philippine team just won the gold and silver sa SEA Games last December.
Okay, so sir, kasi kanina sinabi ko sa mga boss natin, 6:45 pa lang eh. Bakit natin prefer na gawin tong sport na to tuwing umaga?
Yes, actually, pwede naman pong gawin sa hapon din po. But the morning is the best time. First of all, medyo tahimik siya. So rowing is very much a meditation sport also. It's not aggressive brute sport. It's actually good for contemplation, meditation because the movements are graceful. At ine-ensayo po natin hindi lang yung katawan natin kundi yung isip natin. So we try to do it in the morning where the climate is good and the conditions are peaceful.
Of course, hindi aandar ang boat kung kamay ang gagamitin natin. So ano-ano bang equipments ang kailangan para sa sport na to?
Yes, so with every boat, there are 3 items. Yung boat mismo, then pangalawa yung sagwan, pangatlo yung yung tinatawag nating mechanism na wala rin sa mga ibang sports kagaya ng dragon boat, which is the seat, yung upuan na nagsa-slide siya. So that gives you the movement to maximize yung usad ng boat. When we start out with rowing, we will start to make sure that we have enough flexibility, that our muscles are very limber. Eventually, over time, i-build natin yung endurance.
Okay, so sir, tingin mo ba kayang-kaya kong sumabay sa'yo sa rowing?
Absolutely. Dumaan na tayo dyan. We all started with not knowing anything about rowing, and me, that was 20 years ago. But gradually, makukuha mo yan. It's only 3 simple movements. And then after that, pag gumaling ka na, which is going to be soon, mas magiging pulido po yung stroke, kinatawag na stroke natin. So we're looking forward to training you.
Okay, so para gumaling na ako, simulan na natin. Okay, let's go! Okay, so mga boss, kung napanood niyo yung movie na The Social Network, ito yung ginagawa ng Winklevoss twins, yung kaaway ni Mark Zuckerberg. Anyway, Sir Kentin, how do you think I did?
You did very well. I mean, this is a world-class competition boat. Usually, pag nag-uumpisa tayo, medyo malapad. Pero you and Jay did really well for the first. And we're gonna invite you to come back. So sana we can compete. We have a regatta coming up sa Pawai with the Manila Boat Club, the Hong Kong Royal Yacht Club, the Singapore Club. Hopefully you will join us in January.
Okay, so you think we can form a team and go for gold?
It's all up to you. But yes, we encourage more Filipinos sana sa mga tagapanood. Come to the Manila Boat Club or our sister club sa Pawai Boat Club. And you want to go to YouTube, the rowing videos, type Pawai Regatta. That was our last international regatta. Doon maingganyo po tayo mag-rowing.
Okay, so ayan mga boss, narinig niya. Kita niyo naman, medyo strenuous siya pero masaya. Anyway, sa mga gusto mag-try dyan ng bagong sport, i-try niyo to. You wanna get closer to the water? Try rowing. Ito pong muli ang inyong sports connoisseur na si Joe Tamesis. Good morning, boss!
Okay, maraming salamat sa iyo, Joe Tamesis, at yan sa mga boss natin na interesado mag-rowing. Sumali na lang kayo dyan sa may Manila Boat Club. Okay.